Honestly, growing up, like I was working with my dad and we would do a lot of like hands-on things. So I ended up wanting to come here to like pursue that career and possibly like work with him later on down in life. I wanted to get involved with the Habitat for Humanity project because I just like to help people out. My favorite part of this project would be doing the shingles up on the roof. We got to work up on an elevated surface and work as a group and make our way down the roof. I got really good with the nail gun. That's one of the things I got good at. And another one was probably the chop saw. That was pretty fun to use.
I chose construction because I like to build. I wanted to jump into this project for the experience because I want to know how to work on my own stuff. Probably the floor systems. I like operating nail guns, so we got to lay down a lot of OSB. One thing I've learned is roofing. I had no idea how to do that. I'm looking forward to learning plumbing and electrical.
Currently, right now, we are trying to make sure that the house is what we call in the dry-in industry. That's the final application of siding, trim work, and all the roofing processes and everything so that we can start all the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing on the inside. Okay, after that, we will start the rough-in plumbing, and then we will also start the rough-in electric. And then at that point, we have drywall that will come after that. I would say we're close to 50 to 60% done. It's hard to tell because the students are working at different levels and different paces. And once we get inside where everything is considered dry, we can start doing a lot more work on a daily basis. Because right now the weather affects everything that we're doing. So some of the HVAC kids, they have come through and they laid out all the floor vents, and they will be coming through and they will cutting that, and they'll go on site with us when we go to install some of that work. They're also going to help with the plumbing part of the project because HVAC does a lot of drainage, and part of plumbing is drain, waste, and vents, so they'll help with that. And then we're hoping to get the guys from up at Eastland Career Center to send down a couple of his electrical seniors so that they can work through our process with our students, because they're taking a 2-year electric course, whereas I give an 18-week introduction for electric. So it should be 3 different programs all collaborating with each other to work together, and that makes it really cool. Kids get to meet kids from other labs and work with them, so it's really neat.
When it's done, I'm going to be really happy. It's going to be awesome seeing it leave.
I'll feel, once we complete this, I'll feel very accomplished, but I'm ready to start on the next one.